Guys, this is Cruz from New Age Wall Street, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at one of my personal rules that goes ahead and helps me when I'm trading, and that helps me to go ahead and maximize my profits. So let's go ahead and take a look and get right in. Guys, welcome back. So today we're going to go ahead and take a look at one of my personal rules that I go ahead and use on my trades that goes ahead and helps me stay profitable and let my winners run, and also go ahead and keep myself safe, right? So while I'm trading. And I didn't come up with this. Another trader on Twitter went ahead and wrote about it, and he went ahead and took it from Jesse Livermore, whose book is The Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. A really good book, and this he based this rule off of something that he had said in his book, and I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So I'm using RBZ. So we were just made another video on RBZ, and I'm going to go ahead and use it as another example. So here we have RBZ, right? So my entry to here to go ahead and get long would have been somewhere here in this area, right? So in this area right here, where it's holding this level, and then it starts making these higher lows. You see this? So these are 5-minute candles, so it's a little bit hard to say, where my entry would have went ahead and been. It's a little bit more volatile than it's actually showing because these are 5-minute candles. It's smoothed out. So with that being said, right, so if my entry is right here, either any of these candles, right? So my number one rule here is the best trades that you take will walk into profit quickly. So if your entries are correct, your trades will walk into profit quickly. You won't have them going, up and down and, just all crazy and everything here, all volatile, just going up and down, or, even, coming down to your risk support, level, or, anything like that. If your entries are correct, your trade will walk into profit quickly, and you'll automatically be in the green very quickly. So if I'm going ahead and taking my trade right here, say it's at the bottom of this, red candle right here at 1237. This next candle goes ahead and opens up at 1241. The next bottom of this candle here is 1255, and so on and so forth. 1295, 1345. And this is just the trend right here. You could just go ahead and walk away if you go ahead and set your stop, your trailing stop here, because you're so far away from your entry now. You're confident that you're already in the money and you're making that trade work, right? But how stressed out are you going to go ahead and be if you go ahead and you take your trade, and then this is going up and down, just sideways a lot, right? So like another example, if I could go ahead and pull it up, here pretty quickly. Just give me a quick second. All right, here. So, and it's this is going to be pretty hard to go ahead and show on this, with 5-minute candles here. But I mean, if you're going ahead and you're taking a trade here, right, and you're just having this range that it's playing in, right, it's no good, right? You want to go ahead and see about waiting for the perfect entry, a little bit closer here. When you go ahead and you have a better signal to go ahead and get in. So as soon as you were to go ahead and get in on one of these candles, then yeah, this just goes ahead and takes off, right? And we're granted we're looking hindsight, right? So hindsight's always 20/20, but the best trades that you go ahead and take should always go ahead and walk into profit quickly. If you're sitting there and you're going ahead and waiting for a ticker to go ahead and move in your favor, in your direction, and it's already been 10, 15 minutes and it's not doing anything, just get out. Just get out of the trade, and even if who cares about the commissions? If you're right, you're going to go ahead and make the commissions back plus way more if you are absolutely correct. You shouldn't have to worry about commissions to go ahead and re-enter a trade. So if you're going ahead and, you're right, you're being patient, you're going ahead and, waiting for your entries, your trade will walk into profit quickly. And if your trade is just going ahead and being volatile and not going in your favor, and it's going against you, for 15, 20 minutes, just get out. And then you always have that option of going ahead and trying again in, later on down the line, if it does go ahead and set up a little bit better for you, or walk up a little bit better for you as well. So pretty quick, easy video here. Just wanted to go and explain one of my rules that does go ahead and help me out tremendously. So if my trade is not working, and it's just it also helps with the stress level. If your trade is going ahead and in your favor and going positively in your favor, then you're not stressed out. You're not thinking like, should I stop out? Should I take some off? Anything like that. It just helps your mind be 100% more clear on what you should be doing in your trade. So I highly recommend adding the walk into profit quickly rule to your playbook as well, into your trading, because it's helped me out a lot. And like I said, if it's just moving volatilely or moving sideways, for an extended amount of time, just get out and wait, for a better setup, and re-enter whenever the odds are more in your favor. But that's pretty much it. Easy, quick tip of one of my rules today, guys. And if you guys have to pick a bias, make sure you stay money bias, right? Later.